Top 3 reason that is keeping you from being a profitable trader. Reason number 1. Lack of a clear trading plan. Many traders stumble because they dive into the markets without a well-defined trading plan. This lack of direction often leads to impulsive decisions and inconsistent results. But here's the positive twist. By creating a solid, clear trading plan, you set yourself up for success. A well-structured plan includes defined goals, risk management strategies, and entry and exit criteria. This roadmap not only guides your trades, but also helps in maintaining discipline and consistency. Reason number 2, emotional trading. Emotional trading is another major pitfall. When traders let fear, greed, or frustration drive their decisions, they often face disastrous outcomes. The good news? By mastering your emotions and sticking to your trading plan, you can avoid this trap. Building emotional resilience and implementing strategies to keep emotions in check, such as setting strict trading rules and practicing mindfulness, can transform your trading approach and lead to more consistent profits. Reason number 3. Lack of continual learning and adaptation. Many traders fail to adapt to the ever-changing market conditions and stop learning after they've picked up a few strategies. However, continuous learning and adaptation are crucial for long-term success. Embrace the mindset of a lifelong learner. Keep updating your knowledge, analyze your trades, and be willing to adjust your strategies based on market conditions. This proactive approach not only keeps you ahead of the curve, but also enhances your trading skills over time. So there you have it. By addressing these common pitfalls, lack of a clear trading plan, emotional trading, and stagnation in learning, you can turn these challenges into opportunities for success. Start implementing these changes today and watch your trading journey transform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on becoming a profitable trader. Until next time, happy trading.